funny. Go get some. Go outside. Go to the gym. Get a job. There's this really cool site called Indeed.com where you put in this little thing called an application, and you can get a job and get a life.
Hey yo, Chrissy.
What?
800-588-2300 Empire.
Today.
I do not know why you talking when you got a Decepticon in your nostril, bro. Come on, boy. If you don't get your tangerine, Mr. Clean, can I get a jelly bean? You're in stain, rusty drain, Destiny 2 DLC campaign, build a hut, go nuts, spread me wide and fill me up. Flint and steel, banana peel, dream just to the face of your looking ass out of my face. You like you hit butt, Billy goes from table scratch to slot box, bands from beehives, girl. You be sleeping in your bed like an inverted fraction with your feet on the pillow, wacky ass, backward looking ass. Your ass built like a woo-walking semi-optic Nakamura with a boosie fat easy slides, bro. Drip this drought looking ass. Bro, you started throwing rocks and people called yourself a fruity pebble, you goofy ass. Stop playing, bro. Riggedy dinner night, no dance stand in the doorway with a belt. Turn around and say, Poco Laco, ding, ding, ding. Now you start skidding around your abusive father having ass. Stop playing, bro.